everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I am creating with our beautiful new Holly Jolly collection, and I just wanted to show you before I start how I prep. Before I make a layout and make one of these videos, I actually fussy cut out so much, and so here I fussy cut out a whole bunch of the poinsettia bunches. These are just the poinsettia flowers. These are the foliages and some holly, so I'm just going to move all this over so it's accessible. This is the watercolor cut apart sheet. I haven't colored any today, but I have just cut them all out. That's the berries that go with the foliage. Just gonna put them there. This is just fussy cut shapes, and then these are what I've cut out of the cut apart sheet using dies. So these. So that is this Musically die, which I've fussy cut out. This is the poinsettia die, and then I've used our 3 essential dies to cut out these bits from the cut apart sheet, and then I used this die to cut out these tags, which are in one of the pattern papers that are actually included in the collection. So we actually made this die to go with that piece of paper. Okay, so this is the piece of paper that is in the collection, and it's got this one on the back, and this is our tags, tops and tails die from last month, which actually fits on these tags as well, just so you get more use out of your die. And the other die that is with this collection is this cute little Merry Christmas one, which is great for card making. So I use my dies all the time to do this sort of fussy cutting. These all come out of here. All of my little tag tops just come out so perfectly. So that is the fussy cut sheet for those. So let's get started. I'm all finished. My first Christmas light for 2020. I really like this range. It's a really traditional happy range and it just says Christmas to me. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell notification so you get notified when we post videos. And I'm going to literally do another one right now. So I'm going to clean up this mess. So keep watching, and there'll be another one posting in a couple of days. I have no doubt about it. Thanks guys. See ya.